Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we'll be doing the unboxing and we'll take a quick look at the Smart Socket SP23 smart plug. It's a combination of two plugs as you can see in the box, and there are some specifications at the back of the box. Model SP23, working temperature 20 to 50 degrees, minus 20 to 50 degrees, 2.4 gigahertz only, so it doesn't support 5 gigahertz band. It's a 13 ampere supported plug set. It says maximum load 13 amperes and maximum load power is 2990 watts. That's a whopping 2990 watts. And what else do we have? 12 months of warranty, which is good. And then if you have any issues, you just have to send them an email, Teckin home, and then your problem gets sorted. Made in China as usual. On the side you've got some information around Wi-Fi connection, app control, set timers, voice control. You've got two pieces, works with Google Assistant, works with Alexa. So let's unbox this one and we'll see what we've got inside. So that's what we've done here. And there's the two plugs that we've got. And let's get these out. Okay, there's the first one and there's the other one. Seems there's no okay, there's this documentation here, and let's get rid of the box. Okay, so there's this documentation that says user manual smart socket, and then it says pretty much the usual information that we've seen behind the box, and there's a QR code that you just have to scan and you get to the smart life application. And then yeah, then obviously it's the usual stuff on the smart life application, setting schedulers, setting automation, adding an Alexa skill in order for this to work with Alexa or Google. So there's this instruction that you would need, how to connect the smart plug to Amazon Alexa, all that stuff that you'd get. And then there's this warranty information of 12 months. And that is all that we get on the user manual. Let me just keep it to the side. Let's have a look at the smart plugs. Here's the one that we've got. This tactile button at the back, at the side rather. We've used quite a few smart plugs in the past. This one's no different. Made in China. It's got some certification, CE, ROHS, smart socket model, input voltage, 13 ampere max, and then there's this QR code that basically takes you to the Smart Life application. Let me just open that. At the moment I've got a power strip that is connected to the Smart Life application. There you go, power strip. And it's a power strip that basically has got my monitor, my workstation, my laptop, my flash, my USB. There are basically 4 USBs on it, and it's all being scheduled. There's a lot of scheduling that I've done already. Let's just pair this with the Wi-Fi and just add this to the Smart Life application and see how it works. Now, because I've already got an account on the Smart Life application, I would not have to create a new account. I just have to add this device in the list of the products that are there. So for a new user, the new user basically has to create a new account and then add these devices on that application. So the onboarding process will have to be followed by all the new users, not for me. So I've got a power strip, as you can see here already, and now I'm just going to be adding the Teckin smart plug. Let me just turn it on. So you see there's the blue LED flashing here. as you can see, it's flashing again, and we're going to retry with the same Wi-Fi information, same credentials, and we're just going to try it back again with the same Wi-Fi information. This one should be quick. Device is powered on. If it doesn't work now, we're gonna, oh, okay. It's been added successfully. So that's the smart socket that's been added. As you can see, the notification, and it's connected to Alexa as well. Right, that's good. And then you can obviously change the name of the socket. You can call it, let's say, you can call it television. I'd call it television. This basically can be used as a socket for your television, and then you can just tell Alexa to turn on or turn off the television. So you're basically controlling it from the socket itself instead of controlling it via the remote and then adding the Alexa skills to the remote. That's what I'm going to do, and the other one as well. I'm just going to pair that, the other one as well. This is done. Let's take this one out, and now obviously this is useful information. You see this, if you press this button, it's turned off. You see the LED doesn't turn on now, and if you press this again, the blue light is turned on. So it's turned on, turned off, and then there's this background clickety sound that you hear. Turned off. Okay, now let me just quickly pair the other socket. Here's the other one, putting it directly into the power. This is quick flash, and I think that's what we need to do. Pretty much the same sort of steps that we have to take. Confirm the indicator's blinking rapidly. I didn't have to reset it because it's already blinking rapidly and it's been already discovered. That's good. No blinking now because it's been discovered already. Adding device, added already. It's like a breeze. It's so quick. I was probably mistaken because I reset it in the previous one, but it did work now. So that's the smart socket. You can change it to any other name. I'm gonna name it let's say grinder, and pretty much the same functionality. Press the button, the smart socket turns on. Press the button again, off, on, off, and that clickety sound. I hope the video captured that sound as well. It's a very feeble sound, but it does sound, so useful to know. That's turned off now. That is it. That is all that I had to present today. These are the two fully configured smart sockets. This one's the television, this one's the grinder. So I'm just going to go and get those set for their own intended purpose. So yeah, that's it on this video. If you have any questions, as usual, just pop them in the comment section below. I'm just going to get back to those as soon as I possibly can. If you have any feedback, just let me know. Again, go back to the comment section, write a feedback. If it's good, just say whatever you want or whatever your mind says. It would be good to know. And I'm going to take the positive feedback or the negative feedback, more importantly, to improve on that. Do subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, and watch out for the future videos. Thanks. This is Vineet signing off, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care and have a good rest of your day. Cheers. Bye.
You're gone and I gotta stay high all the time.